All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to week 2 of trying to get my app upgraded from Rails 5.0 all the way to Rails 6. And right now we're just trying to get to 5.2.3. It was quite an adventure last week if you missed it. And right now, pretty much all of the gems in the gem file are commented out, except for Rails, which was a really awesome suggestion last week. I think it did move things along. We were getting stuck there, and so today we're going to comment them back in, and hope one by one. There's a lot of older gems in here. We'll see how it goes. I did have a to-do list that was getting long about completely removing some libraries, but let's just get to a certain point and then see where we are. Now, I did do a little bit in between. Simply that I thought, well, since we're adding these gems back in, let's go ahead and be on the newest version of Ruby. So if you see, I do have now Ruby 3.0. Exciting. It's supposed to be super fast. And so then we still have our gems here, and I did go ahead and bundle that, and that bundled successfully. So first things up. I'm going to go back over to comments. Yes, if you have any comments, feel free to put them in the chat. I did play with the feature at the end of the last recording where I put them up on the screen. So if you say something really awesome, I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen so everybody can see. And I have that chat ready to go. And we'll see if folks show up. It's a little early. Hi, Todd. Thank you for confirming you can hear me. I'm going to go ahead and show it up there on the screen. Say hi. Hi, everybody. And hey, if not, I'm going to get this done. So let's go ahead and get started. I think the first and foremost, you need a database. So let's see if Postgres can indeed bundle. I'm trying to make the font super big here. Does that comment just stay up there? Do I have to then remove it? Oh, now I can hide it. Okay. Yep. There's a little bit of maintenance there. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this to the top just for me to see. All right, so let's bundle, install Postgres, see if it has issues. It was unhappy last time, but maybe with the new version of Ruby and the new version of Rails. There we go. Excitement. All ready to go. Brand new, spanking new. That was much easier. All right, so let's go ahead back to here. I'm just gonna see what makes sense to do next. Devise. I think it's an important one. The paperclip issue will probably deal with last because paperclip and the delayed job were things that I was thinking, well, let's maybe, that's a lot to do at once. So we may go ahead and let's try to install it, see if it happens, and then I get rid of it. But let's go through some other ones first. So we got devise. And it's happy. I like embedding video. Let's see if this is up to date with Rails 5.2. That's a nifty little gem. It helps show all the video info. I wonder why that has 2 of them, but I really do like friendly ID. I wonder if this version makes sense. Let's go ahead and see what that gem is doing these days. I don't think I have. I'm going to open a new browser. Window here. Bring it onto my other screen. And we'll look up. It's still pretty up to date. Let's see, 5.4. All right. To greater than 2, we're good there. Okay. So I'm just going to let it be at the newest. See what happens. Okay. And then do Amazon all together. Wonder what Amazon's up to. That might be over 2 as well. Uh, um, looking for the GitHub. There we go. It is version 3 now. I wonder if there was a lot of differences. Ah, it's specific gems to install. Okay. The gem is very large, or if you depend on many AWS services. I think I'm only using S3. And then, yeah, you had to add I remember having to do this, that you had to update and have the region. Let's see. Where is this in the code? Ooh, nowhere. Let's see. It's probably in a config file. I don't have anything related to AWS. Hmm. It might have been in the, gosh, it's been a while. Thing in here? No. Initializers. There we go. Yeah, that's a little bit bigger. I'm trying to make the screen big enough. No. Gosh, I really don't remember. But if I look up something like region, store. Oh, well, here's some code that'll help you get it set up. All right, well, I think we're going to keep it at version 2 and upgrade that. So where's that to do? It's so big, though. All right, well, let's see. Once I sort of remember where everything is. It has been a while since I've worked on this, obviously. So it's kind of a fun investigation. It's definitely, kind of a I feel like Indiana Jones a little bit, right? It's like digging through the dirt to see where are we? What models do we have? We have the episode. It has an attached file. Yes, this is all paperclip stuff. And where are we storing it? Let's see. Is there not like a paperclip config? Oh, Are we just say storing it locally? That could be. Let's see, do I have a public? Like locally, do I have some? No? I don't even remember how paperclip worked. Alrighty, well, we are gonna continue to, I think I'm gonna keep it at 2 and then upgrade it. So here we go. So we're putting AWS back in. We really should find what it's doing. Because that came in new. Had a reCAPTCHA for a while, that's right. These are new files that came in. Friendly ID. Device secrets. I don't even see what I'm using AWS for. I mean, the only thing I can think of would be S3. And I vaguely remember that everything's on S3. But let's look up Paperclip just to remind myself where all the files might be. It's depreciated now. Is that new? We didn't find Paperclip anywhere else. Start. And then if it had it, I don't see anywhere I'm using AWS. There's something, how to use it with AWS storage. Ships with these adapters. Okay. Well, I mean, one way to be sure, figuring S3 storage in this file. Okay, let's open that. Is go to the images on the website and see where they are. So if you have these secret keys, oh, so it says storage, right? Did we see that in our episode? No, not at all. Well, let's go to the website and see where these files are. Let's see. All right, and of course it asks you to sign on up. Been a while since I did an actual snack. Oh, it's where the PDFs are. That's right. Oh, so is that a different? No, no, this is where it is. Card. Oh, the card has a and a file. Okay, so the card's actually on this page. Let's inspect. All right. right. So it's on CloudFront. There it is. It's in the system. CloudFront going on. Okay. So I don't even know that we need AWS. I wonder what AWS I was using it, why it's here. I mean, it sounds like a good idea. And we might. Figaro. Now we're really not doing anything with Stripe, so I think I'm gonna leave that out. I may comment out those things. We did do Bitly, right? An active admin I did need, and I might have trouble with that. Um, I still use Capistrano. I know it's ages old. We'll have to see how much of this gets. I'm pretty sure there's jQuery. Let me do that. I don't think I'm using these. All right, let's do jQuery real quick. I'm trying to remember what Figaro was for. Let's do jQuery real quick. It's like spring cleaning too. It's like, what do I need? What do I not need? Okay. Figaro. What did Figaro do? I made lovely little notes for a lot of things. um, let's Figaro do. Oh, I think it does the. Uh-oh, update. Ah, right. It's for the environmental variables. It's a little stalled. This is true. About a year old. All right, we'll keep that. Okay. Gibbon is with MailChimp, and I'm going to be taking that out, but not yet. That is the next series. Be switching to Active Campaign. If you got an email, it actually already came through Active Campaign. I don't know that I'm totally using Bitly. Where is Bitly used? There could have been a feature I used like once for like the giveaways. Did I do the giveaways on this? Yeah, I think that was the giveaway. And that's not really an active part of the site right now. So these may be things I end up, commenting out, just to like clean it up, or get rid of it. Right? I mean, it's in Git, so I could always bring it back. I believe the delayed job does involve when we're sending um, the things, but we'll come back to we'll come back to that. What is this used? All right, well, we'll see. All right, now let's do a hard one. Let's do active admin. And I think I'm gonna do the latest and greatest, and I may lose some features that I had or have to rework a few things. But let's go ahead and do the latest and greatest active admin. That's because that's where I go and I like upload the information about the different Ruby snacks. And I do hope to make a Ruby snack out of updating all this. We'll cut it down quite a bit. But that is what I'm going to do there. It went through. All right. Let's start getting our development gems in. I think other than paperclip. All right, let's see if paperclip comes in. I don't know that I've installed everything paperclip might need. Like image magic. kind of fun stuff. Yeah. Set the region. Look, Ruby Thursday episodes. Isn't that nice of them to leave that there? Right. We'll leave it for now. I know it does need to be changed up. All right. Let's see where we are as far as the uh should be doing these one at a time. Better errors. Okay. Factory Girl. Did Factory Girl rename itself? I want to say this has been renamed. Yeah, that's right. They call it Factory Bot now, right? And then you take all of it to a Factory Bot instead. Okay, that's right, because they did change the name. And so let's go with, so the other one is no longer supported. Okay. That instead. Oh, hello, Conrad. Thank you, Conrad Factory Bot. Yes. All right. I looked down just in time to see. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, I think I'll do the Rails specific, but then, well, now let's do this fun thing where we change everything. This is going to be quite the commit. I probably should have divided this up, but which is rake. Uh-oh. So what are they saying? RIB. Well, let's take out the rake part. Oh my gosh, my Git status must be insane. Oh. Yeah. I think I'm just nervous about committing it in quite a messy state. But if you don't start committing, then you're going to have like 50 files. So let's go ahead and take anything in spec and commit that as an update to Factory Bot. And then we'll add these, let's add these new files as the upgrade files, and anything in like config kind of area. Yeah, all of these, and everything but gem and gem file lock, because I think those will still really start. So let's do the upgrade first. All right, git add anything in bin, anything in config. Yeah. Uh, yeah, just everything there. Right. And now everything is, and so let's do that by itself. Oh, let's have a branch, huh? Do I have a alias there? I may not. I may have to write it up, but let's see if we can. It'll be, thank you, Conrad. Oh, Conrad, I'm going to go ahead and Show your thanks, Conrad. A great plan to go ahead and commit. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, so now let's do the branch of upgrade. 5 to 5 to 6. Let's do it. Okay. Big file changes. To, and this was just to 5.2.3. Okay. Now, all those specs. Okay. Let's migrate to factory bot. Okay, that feels a little bit better, right? We just got our two gem file lock going on. Okay, back to the gem file. We've got, let's see, just plain faker. Again, we are going bit by bit here as I try to add in what I think I still really need as opposed to what I don't. I'm pretty sure I have the database cleaner happening. And then we'll probably start running a few tests and seeing what we got. RSpec Rails for sure. And everything's getting installed into Ruby 3. This is easier than last week where we kept getting yeah, we can do let's do all the pry gems here. Oh, I think I'm going to take away the versions, do the newest. Oh, let's see. Pry resolved to, which depends on a pry lower. Interesting. What does pry nav do that's different than regular pry? Do I even need it? This is spring cleaning. Do I need this thing? Put in the binding pie. And then you would nav. I think I'm gonna try to do without. If I miss it, then you probably only need to actually have pry rails listed. Let's see what pry rails has. It's different. Just pry. Maybe we only need pry. Oh, I see. It makes it into your console as pry as opposed to other debuggers. Okay, let's do that then. That is what I am used to. All right, let's see. Happy now? It is. Okay. I have used simple BDD in this project, probably more as a Ruby snack, but we'll keep it in here. I haven't really used it in other places. Um, so we'll see. Spring does make things go faster. Okay. I'm not going to put the Capistrano stuff back in quite yet. Um, leave that for later. And now we have the decision about letter opener is actually really useful. I'm going to put that back in. I think we do send a couple emails. Okay. Before I was having trouble putting Capybara WebKit in. Let's see if it's still the same thing. I think it will be. So last week it was not finding the dependency. So let's see what happens. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That somehow like my Xcode isn't installed. Right. Um I'm not entirely sure I have WebKit on this computer. This is a fairly new computer to me. So I'm sorry, so cute, like the right Xcode. Um, and then if I did want to do Selenium, I'm pretty sure I do not have Firefox installed. So I had to, here's a decision. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to go ahead and see about Xcode and let's see. It's in a folder. I probably will have to log into Apple here. So unfortunately, that's going to be a little bit of a sidebar here to have to log in and try to get Xcode. Let's see if we just look at the documentation for Xcode and how to install it. Mac. You get it at the App Store. There's one way to do it. Okay. All right. Open the App Store. Oh, okay. Can I just do this? Let's see. I'm already logged in. I don't remember logging into Apple on this computer, but it could have happened. Look at that. Oh, I have. This is my current balance, folks. I should buy something. I mean, I do spend 99 cents a month on the extra storage because I take pictures of my kids and they get backed up. And so I do pay 99 cents a month for that. So, let's see what's in the default gem file. Conrad has a good suggestion. We could do that. I would almost do it. Go ahead and do it for Rails 6 because I'm trying to get up to that, and I have not yet generated a Rails 6. So yeah, why don't we do that while we wait for this because it's taking quite a while. All right, let's go open a new. I have all these open. Are these? Oh, it's tiny. The one thing I don't like about iTerm is the minute you like try to make it bigger, um, it just like expands the entire thing. So I'm just gonna stay here and um, look how long it's been. I don't even remember the command. Isn't that fun to start up a new Rails app? Try installing just the command line tools only. Well, it's already going. Um, Code, not developer tools, just would it be tools? Lots of fun stuff. Um, Nope. Hmm. I'm not seeing it here in the App Store. Uh, is it just this one? Select. Conrad is saying Xcode select install from the this. I'm still looking for it in the store. No. Is that from? So this is the command that he's suggesting. Conrad, thank you. From the terminal. All right, we can, how do I get back to my, uh, just go back to the main, where's my like download? All right, we'll try it. Oh, I can't copy paste from my, I'll just have to type it out. You can't copy paste from the um, comments, which is a little bit of a bummer. StreamYard, I actually would like to. They are already installed. Okay. Hmm. If I go back, I'm just going to go back to um, again. Nope, still not there. So maybe what it needs is in the full Xcode and not just the command line tools. Um, it's looking for QMake or Qt, right? Is what it's looking for. All right, well, we'll just let that keep going. I'm not sure where I can see the progress of that anymore. Updates? Software update. You can tell I'm really more of an Ubuntu person. It's on Ubuntu. I know where to go. Uh, Look, it had it tonight. Well, thanks. Upgrade later. Okay. Well, we'll give it another couple minutes while we play around. I am gonna go ahead and do the thing where um I was learning to code Python in that terminal. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna be a little painful. Make it bigger. Do plus. Okay. And then you gotta go and make it smaller again. Okay, so actually just gonna go back into sites, system preferences. Let's try that. That is where we were. Yep. And it's just not showing like things that are coming in. Does it show you in applications? Like more like here? Oh. So there's Xcode. Hmm. I just want to see the get info. Today at 9:30. So why is this still failing? Mm. Hmm. Let's look it up. Capyware VedKit. And what Mac? I'm on the newest Mac. Yeah. Big Sur. Go to Stack Overflow. Uh, let's see. How old is this? A year old? Okay. Okay. Accept cookies. Okay. It's a different one. Anything interesting here? Log state Xcode is not installed properly. Well, I don't think that's what it's saying. Let's see. Here's our headers. Yeah, I think Xcode is now installed. I mean, let's see. The comment was, if so, can you open it? Can I actually open Xcode? Oh, no, you're right. It's still going. But at least now we have the progress bar. There we go. All right, thanks. Thanks, everybody. Here we go. Here's the progress bar. We'll come back to it. In the meantime, we were going to check out um, uh, it's been so long that um, docs, like just regular docs. Um, Getting started. What is the command to start up your new one? Creating a new Rails project. We have. Do you really have to have SQL3? I don't think so. Probably the Node version I should probably check out though. I don't remember what Node version I have. A good check. Sorry if this is smaller, let me know. 14? That seems pretty good, right? Yet. Ooh, Yeah, 14 is kind of the last stable version. So remember to turn off the comments. Okay, thank you. Hide. Do you need to install QMake separate? So the question is, do you need to install QMake separate? I thought that came with Rails new. Um, let's look up QMake. I thought that was part of Xcode. Is that not? Woo. Um, this seems really old. 2000, 2011. That's old. Uh, GNewMake, Gmake for Mac. El Capitan. 2017, 2016. Just looking for something. It's 2019. Oh, homebrew. I don't think that's what I need. Oh, thank you. I figured that one. That looks pretty useful. How can I get it? Well, except there you go. Yes, for Capybara. Thank you. Well, I'll have Xcode too. It'll be fun. Okay. I don't know how long that'll take. Shouldn't be too long. I'm gonna drink. Well, it's something, just water, like flavored water here. Although I guess that would make live coding fun too. Although I think Cinco de Mayo is actually on a Tuesday this year. People are excited because it's Taco Tuesday plus Cinco de Mayo. It's just like the next like drinking holiday. All right, well. All right. All right. Rails, new. Let's call it test Rails 6. Oh, it is going to install. Oh, it puts in what's running WebDriver right away. Interesting. Okay, things are running. Is this one done yet? Okay. Oh, well, at least it's a different error. All right. No Qt WebKit installation file is no longer included. Okay. Does it have? So we're looking for Qt WebKit. Okay. Oh, or installing a lower version of Qt. DB. Welcome. Tacos. Thank you, Conrad. um, so the lower version, or a higher version. Sorry, let me go back. Oh, lower version. Interesting. Or you could do this separately. Well, let's see what's involved with that. Um, is that? Oh, wait. This is a while back, but that it's this version. Let's see, is there a different? Okay. Install Xcode and the command line tools. Well, okay, I did that. Um, ooh, up to 513. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's read this a little slower. Install Xcode and command line tools. Okay. Then Xcode select install. All right, where's our here? No. Here. Okay. Not quite done yet. I can't, it's not like a refresh thing. I guess it's still going. I wonder if I went ahead and tried, would it just not happen? Although, didn't we do this? Yeah, didn't we do this? I thought we did this. It says that it's already there. Install updates. Okay, so it's running. So we may have to wait until that's done. Um, Install Qt. We did that, but it's not at this level. Okay. What age is this wiki? I don't know. Okay. We could just go the lower version of Qt. All right. We're getting the brew install that version instead. It's not something that I like develop on otherwise, right? So at 5 kind of version. Okay. Was this one? That's still so many things happening. At a former client, we had stopped using Yarn and we're using NPM. So I'll have to remember again the Yarn stuff. I mean, it's very similar. All right, we're just watching things. I don't think we can. I think we have to watch things. I'll keep going back and forth. Oh, uh-oh. in the last month. No formula found. Hmm. Let's see. T at 5 is now as good as yarn. Right, exactly. I would agree. So I wonder if I mean, Rails is opinionated and that's kind of one of the things so they're using. I don't well, no, I probably will be using hopefully down the line we'll be doing some React. So we may change up not this project. It'll be a whole new project. So we may decide to do like well, you won't need it in the Rails. The Rails will be the API. So there you go. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. Um, that for some reason that they adopted yarn over npm. I don't know. All right, let's see what's going on here. That is done. All right, but let's go check our progress on this. This seems stalled, and that may be because I'm doing a whole bunch of other stuff. um, no, that's not what I mean. Because I want to kind of see if this getting done kind of helps. Um, well, yeah, that's true. React and Yarn together. That's right. We were actually using Angular. Crazy. I know. Um, and they were in the processes of upgrading it from like I don't even remember the old versions, but they were in the process of upgrading when I moved on. So, um, okay. All right. Well, let's go back to looking at. Sorry. So if this is installed, we have Qt installed. Then if you have any other version than this, export your version with that. I don't know. This seems like a little much for what we're doing. Oh, there we go. True. We still haven't done that part yet. It says it's there already. And we did install Qt. Okay. Then oh, we still need Go. Okay. Then we haven't done this yet either. Can I do that right from here? Okay. Hopefully this has happened. We did brew that one. We have to go here. Install Go. Okay. Okay, downloading there. Oh, it downloaded it right away when you got there. Oh well. And then clone the repo. What's the dots for? Well, I haven't actually installed it. In applications. Wait, what's happening? Opening. There we go. Oh, okay. I got to the password. Oh, can I just do the fingerprint thing? No, no. Okay. Don't have it memorized because it's an awesome password. And I use the finger thing now, right? All right. Source tree. Okay. For folks, show this comment here. It's a Go convention for compiling a source tree. Okay. So you go and install it, and then you do the source. Okay, cool. And I got lost. Oh, password. All right. Oh. You mean this other one happening? You can't install multiple things at once? Too much to ask. Okay, no, but what we can do while those two things are waiting on each other is indeed we were going to look at Rails 6 and see what was in the base install in the gem file and see what we might want to pull over. So okay, make this bigger. Try to look, see, make sure I'm making it big enough. Thanks for the welcome. Okay. Later. Thanks. Okay, mostly we were interested in the gem file. So I'm even ahead of of Rails right now, using Ruby 3. So Puma is the app server. So yeah, we should install that. They still use Sass Rails for style sheets. I just don't think I have any. Webpacker. Right. Did that replace? I think Webpacker replaced Ruby Racer. If I think if I do this versus Ruby Racer, is that different? Because it's a JavaScript runtime, right? They're both JavaScript runtimes. Yeah. So, oh, and it replaced sprockets. If I do. They're not required. There's some manual changes. Node replaced the Ruby Racer. Yeah. Okay. Because that's the runtime. So that you just have to make sure that that's up on your box. And I like Pride better than Bybug. What can I say? Listen. What does listen do? Is that just also any? Okay, sorry. So access interactive console, web console. Ooh, GBuilder, yeah. I think I have turbo links going on. Okay. Um, yeah, Webpacker is the replacement for Sprockets. Thank you, Conrad. Yes. All right. So really, I think that would be the two to look at. And then Bootsnap. And what did Listen do? Listen Gem listens to file modification and notifies you about the changes. Okay. And then so does this mean you don't have to like restart your server like in dev? This is the dev gem. Okay. Conrad's. I see. Okay, so to clarify, um, Rails 6.1 actually has both sprockets and Webpacker. Rails 7 should depreciate sprockets. In case you were. Well, we can put in listen. I bet it's. Well, look. Maybe we'll get to that when we actually like in the docs for upgrading 6. So we'll look at that. All right. So, waiting for the other thing. Well, I may go ahead and wrap up since we're just kind of waiting on the other installations to complete. It did get further along. I kind of want to wait for it to be done, get this going, and hopefully that then, and then there's one more command to run, right? Um, Clone the repo and run the setup. Okay. And then hopefully Qt is officially installed. And we could use Capybara WebKit. That is the goal. So almost done with all the installation stuff. The next part next week. Although, yeah, so I think in May I'm going to start doing twice a week. But next week is still a crazy week. Julia, my eldest daughter, turns 4 on Wednesday. I can't believe it. So there's some getting ready for like her class party and stuff next week. So, but maybe the week after, I hope to start doing this twice a week, and hopefully a morning time for those who are more early birds. Can join in at that time. So, and potentially, I used to have a lot of folks in Europe following, and I know that this time is middle of the night, early morning for them. So, so be on the lookout for that, and I will absolutely let you know if you are watching this on YouTube. Be sure to go over and sign up to my email list. Right now, still going to MailChimp, but soon everything will be over to ActiveCampaign. And I hope next week we'll start to sort of do some more spring cleaning, run a couple tests, just the major ones, right? Just so that we can still upload an episode and people can still get their PDFs when they ask for it, which is a couple of libraries we may have to redo and put in the newest and greatest. So thank you so much, especially Conrad, for where is the email list? If you go to rubythursday.com, it just pops right up, and you put in your email, and then I'll get that. So if you did this past week, I did not have a chance to go to Mailchimp to pull over the new things. I think there are a couple. So definitely next time, you'll get the notification that I'm live. I set it a couple minutes beforehand, and so be on the lookout. And I think that's it. Yes. Okay. Yes. So thanks again for everyone for watching, and we'll be back. We'll be back next Thursday for sure. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click the button to end the broadcast. All right, thanks everybody. All right, bye.